If you own a window installation company and you're looking to consistently get 20 to 30 plus qualified appointments per month, then this video is for you. Now, over the last 30 days of launching this Facebook ads campaign, we've generated 43 exclusive window replacement leads at a cost per lead of $58 with just $2,500 in ad spend. And in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how our lead generation funnel helps home improvement companies consistently book more qualified appointments and grow their business. All right, now our lead generation funnel starts with the offer. The biggest factor of a successful ad campaign is going to be your offer. So what we do is we come up with a unique offer that our client's market has not seen. And then once we find that offer, we're going to create a high converting video ad creative to promote that offer. And normally we come up with 5 to 6, sometimes more video ad creatives where we can test different hooks, and then we let Facebook decide the winning ad based on market feedback. Now, once we get that video ad created, we're going to run the meta ads to that video ad, to the offer, which is going to be Instagram and Facebook. Now, with our targeting, we're going to be targeting people who are in the market looking to get their windows replaced. And also we can target with radius, city, or just zip code. We can precisely target your service area. Now, once they click on, get quote, we're going to take them through 4 to 6 pre-qualification questions just so we have them pre-qualify themselves. And at the end, we're going to ask them for full name, phone number, email, and the city. We can ask any questions that you want, but these are the questions that we've asked. Now, right after that, they submit that form. We're not going to assume that they're legit leads, because on Facebook, you're going to have people who are going to fill out the form out of curiosity. Some are going to put a wrong phone number, and some people are just not as serious. So we need a second step here. Just have, so we can have these leads go through one more hoop just to make sure they're legit leads and that they've given us their correct phone number. Now, if you have a message that goes something like this is an SMS that goes out 10 seconds, like 10 to 20 seconds after somebody fills out that form, which is going to say, example, hey James, it's Kelly from XYZ Windows and Doors. Thanks for requesting your free estimate for your window replacement project. Just reply yes to confirm you have the correct phone number, and we'll get your free consultation scheduled. Now our system is going to wait for them to reply with a yes. Once they reply with a yes, that's when we count them as a pre-qualified lead, because now we know that their phone number is correct and that they've said that they want a free consultation scheduled. So once they reply with a yes, they go through this branch here where they replied with a yes. Now we've counted them as a pre-qualified lead. Our client is going to receive an immediate SMS and email notification of the lead information. And right after that, we have a call connect feature, which is the most important thing, which is going to call your front desk, and it's going to call the lead, and it's going to bridge the call. And this ensures that your front desk is basically forced to call the leads within 2 minutes. And it's important. A lot of companies, they might be calling the leads after 30 minutes, or some just call after 24 hours. And by that time, it's gone. They've either gone to a different competitor or they're not thinking about it anymore. So it's important that you call the leads in less than 5 minutes. And this feature ensures that you're calling them within 2 minutes. And then you set the appointment, you show up, give the estimate, and close, and you take it from there. Now, you might be asking, what happens if they don't reply with a yes? Well, that's a good question, because that's not a problem. Since we have 4 more follow-ups that go out, so the first one would go out after the 10 seconds, the one we went over with. If they don't reply yes to that, we have a second one after 10 minutes. If they don't reply to that, we have another third one in an hour, and then the last one in 4 hours. So anywhere here where they reply with a yes, they go right into this branch here where, again, they're going to become a qualified lead. You're going to get their information. Now, if they don't reply here, or if they're just invalid lead, or they replied they're not interested, they're opted out, they go down the trash, you don't even see them. So our clients only see people who are pre-qualified, they replied with the yes, and they're looking to move forward within the next 60 to 90 days. And that's about it. Now, if you own a window installation company and you're looking to consistently generate more leads, book more jobs, and ultimately grow your business consistently, I'm going to leave a link down in the description of this video. You can book a call with me. We'll go over a quick 10-minute, 15-minute phone call, see if this is a right fit, see where you're at, where you're trying to go, and see if this even makes sense for you. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.